Let's go. Let's see how much you can do, BMW. BMW. Not this time, guys. This time we drive Hyundai Tucson. Look at it. I know, you wish it's a BMW, but it's not, guys. This is a Hyundai Tucson hybrid 1.6, 108 horsepower and around 60 horsepower of electric thing, you know. It's a premium trim, it's 2023 and it's 227 horsepower with claimed 8.2 to 100 and around 190 kilometers per hour maximum top speed, guys. In this video I'll be driving on the Autobahn highway in Germany, but I'll overlap this video with some footage from East European highway so that the video is fully edited. Let's go, guys, and drive this premium Hyundai 2023 Hyundai Tucson with full extras except N-line, of course. Let's start it up. This hybrid car, you know, hybrid. Let's go and drive. I'm gonna close the window. I cannot rev it for you guys on P because this hybrid thing, you know, a petrol car should. I have sport mode, I have eco mode, but I'll drive on sport because I am on the highway and I don't care about the economy in this video, guys. Let's go and drive it. BMW, see what I'm driving, huh? It's jumps like crazy on this electric thing. Engaged. Let's go. Full throttle. Come on. Gearbox is a little slower even in sport mode, but the acceleration is pretty satisfying. As I told you, the car is around 7.5 to 100 kilometers. I really hate this extra about the wine assistance and steering wheel assistance. I hate all these systems. Let's go. Oh, we have Mercedes in front. Let's catch him. Where are you, Mercedes? It smells like a new car, guys. And of course, drive information is currently restarted, so you can see my fuel consumption currently 90.5 liters, guys. I'm burning, but it will fall down, I'm sure. Otherwise, I'm getting Porsche V8. The car weighs around 1.7 ton, so it's not from the widest cars, but for SUV of this size and such a big trunk space, 600 liters and more, it's pretty amazing that the weight is not too much. I have here some shifters, paddle shifters, which I can show you how adequate are they. So now I am on 5th gear, you see, and if we want to go to 6th, you do like this, click, 6th. Okay, so now let's see how much time it will take to bring back 1 gear back. Let's go. Okay, I click 1, 2, 3, around, you count to 3 and it returns 1 gear down. Now I want 4th gear. 1, 2, this is the sound. Okay, let's go. Okay, the car is pretty stable. Of course, it's not a BMW direct steering wheel, and the feeling of the car, it has body roll. It's too soft for some people, for me too. It's too soft, but it's stable. It's soft but stable. But of course, on higher speed you can feel that the car is not confident enough to keep you with high speed turns and to drive really fast on these autobahns, guys. So if I want to get out of this manual mode, I can click again D and I am on automatic transmission already now. So how the kick down looks like, guys, you're wondering that, I'm sure. Okay, kick down now. This is the kick down around 6K and it's changing gear. German autobahns are amazing, guys, but you are seeing some footage, some video from East Europe. How are the brakes? The brakes are pretty good, but are a little strange in the beginning because it engages recuperation of the electric motors, and this seems little odd in the beginning because this car is made to recuperate all the energy. Of course, if you're driving harder, it uses all the battery all the time, and your battery is always dead. Always dead. And guys, we continue with our highway drive. You can see some B-roll, small 2-lane road driving in my channel. But now let's go and see, can I overtake this truck? Let's go. I need to catch him. I'm here, Mercedes. Always keep a distance with higher speed, guys. However, this is interesting how I'm driving on German Autobahn, and at the same time same situation appears on my footage video. So full speed. This is the top speed of Hyundai Tucson, guys. Top speed. It reaches the top speed really smooth without any problems, actually. But of course the only problem is the fuel consumption, and of course with such speed it's not good. If you want high speeds, get a diesel, guys. Get a diesel, fucking diesel, because these hybrids not very good for high speed driving. And yeah, I want lower gear at 4k RPM, and the computer says no, 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 you don't need third gear, you don't need third gear, no matter how much time you push on the... I hate this electronic, guys. I want everything to be manual and direct. Just crazy technology, guys. It's taking all the joy of the driving. The coupe is very good isolated, guys. Really, I'm impressed of the Hyundai. It's not so quality brand, but they made such a good thing here in isolation. Behind me there is something like a BMW. I will let him go and we'll drive after it. Let's go. Let's go after this BMW, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's see how much you can do, BMW. Ooh, you hear my engine noise? Hey BMW, I am ready. Are you ready? He's not ready. Smells like, from this BMW, it seems like it burns some oil. Smells on oil. You say just normal thing, BMW burning oil, yeah. When you step on the brake, a little bit poof, make his nose down because of the soft suspension. I'm almost on full throttle, but not kick down. Actually, without kicking down, sometimes you feel it weak, but you can always bring one gear back. I hate the delay when you push the pedal to the metal. It's not a responsive car like my Honda. Of course. It's a big thing. Okay guys, seems like the highway is over in Germany, and as you can see in Eastern Europe too. So what's the conclusion? It's a pretty good car. It's very comfortable and very good isolated. Very good isolated. It makes you feel nice with a higher speed. I mean, you feel good inside. Of course, the downside is very high fuel consumption. As you can see, 14 liters, guys. 14 liters of this hybrid. And yeah, it could be better, but it's not. It's a petrol one, and it makes its top speed, yeah, for sure. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you like more driving. To see more driving, if you want to see more driving of this car, you can check our other videos too, fuel efficiency and so on. This car is efficient in 90, 100 to 110 kilometers. After that is full crap. Of course, you should get a diesel if you want better fuel efficiency and higher speeds, and probably get a car, not a SUV, because SUVs don't like higher speed, guys. They just consume so much fuel when you push them harder. So someone with an old 30 years old car can pass you with 160, burning much less petrol than you. See you in the next video. Enough talking. Bye.